Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa. If you haven't been here before, today what we're going to do is we're going to be unboxing my Boxycharm Premium. I just got it in the mail actually yesterday, but I didn't get it till later on. So we're going to be seeing what I got in my Boxycharm Premium, and if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm just going to dig right into it. We do have a card, and again, the theme is Candy Shop, and I have variation number 8. So the first thing I'm pulling out is the Clarins Instant Smooth Line Smoothing Perfecting Touch Prime. I guess it's a primer. It's got a little, got some instructions in there, but it's got a little scooper thing that you can use for it, but it's in a little tub. And that's what it looks like. So that's interesting. Feels real soft. Feels like it would be pretty smoothing, so I'm pretty excited to try that out. Let me see what Boxycharm says about this. This ultralight award-winning primer leaves an imperceptible veil over the skin surface, silkening micro pearls, fill-in pores, fine lines, and deep wrinkles. Vitamin E hydrates and nourishes for foundation-ready skin. Experience the Clarins different makeup with skincare benefits, and it retails for $39. So, all right, let's see what else we got in here. We got GoTo Exfoliating Swipies. Foolproof exfoliating pads for glowing skin. Now, I did have the Elemis pads that I really liked, and it seems like this is kind of the same thing. And it's some exfoliating pad, so I'm pretty excited to have these again, because I used the Elemis ones every time I got ready to do my makeup. I would wipe it after I cleaned my face. So let's read what it says. These single-use exfoliating pads soaked in an all-natural solution gets rid of dead skin cells and hydrates the skin. The well-documented effectiveness of lactic acid, the most gentle of all AHAs, is combined with ultra-hydrating essential oils to create a face exfoliator that thoroughly removes dead skin cells, refines skin texture, minimizes the appearance of fine lines, and deeply moisturizes, and it retails for $35. So I'm pretty excited to have these because, like I said, I use the Elemis ones every day before I put on my makeup. After I wash my face, I would put that on and wipe that all over to exfoliate before I put on my makeup. So, pretty excited about those. Next, I have the Tinted Face Oil by Cosis. The Future of Foundation. That's what the box looks like. And I got 3.5 Fair Light with neutral undertones. So that's what the bottle looks like. It's really, really liquidy. It might work for me. That's what I rubbed it in a little bit, and it's right here. It might work for me. We'll have to see. So I'll have to use this in my Boxycharm try-on and see what I think about it. But I'm pretty excited to have that to try it out. Let me read about it real quick. The COSSIS Tinted Face Oil Foundation, a clean, featherweight, light coverage foundation and hydrating skin elixir with application that takes as little as 10 seconds. The breathable formula evens skin tones, minimizes pores, and erases imperfections while supporting skin health. And it retails for $42. That's pretty expensive. We'll see how it says. It's a featherweight, light to medium coverage foundation and deeply hydrating skin elixir. And you're supposed to shake well before every use. Gently blend 2 to 4 drops into skin using fingertips. So I'm going to have to see what I think about that. And keep your eye out on my Boxycharm Premium Try-On. So next I have the Universal Clear Baseline Lip Fuel Advanced Lip Care powered by Active Botanicals. And it's Cosis Sport Hyaluronic Lip Balm. Let me open it up. Does it pop up? Or how you open this thing? Oh, that's how you roll it up. Alright. Here we go. That's what the component looks like. And then open it up and you have the lip stuff. Feels really good, so I'm excited to try that. I always love having lip products because my lips get really dry, so anytime I can have something that's hydrating on my lips is awesome. Oh, let me read about it too. Let's see, an ultra hydrating hyaluronic lip balm delivering advanced lip care powered by active botanicals that transport you to a sports state of mind, and it retails for $18. So, alright, next in my box is ILLUSIONATI X Isabelle Bedoya. It's a glam palette. I don't know, it's in plastic wrap. I'll have to open it up. See if I can't get this open. Alright, it's got a mirror up here, and then that's what the palette looks like. Put this in, yeah. Alright, some pretty colors. Got a couple of glitters in here. I'll have to read and see what Boxycharm says about it. It says Illuminati Cosmetics has collaborated with Isabelle Bedoya for an ultra versatile palette. Create an evening glam look or perfect daytime look. The shades range from pastels to bright colors and neutrals. There's a look for every person, and it retails for $48. So pretty cool. I'll have to try this out too in my Boxycharm try-on. And next is the Laura Geller New York 50 Kisses Lip Locking Lip Color in Beige Bite. And let me read, well, let me swatch it real quick and show you guys what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Nice color. And it says, no more air kisses. Our pure pigment formula stays true with soft satiny color that stays put for morning peck to midnight smooch. The uniquely curved applicator hugs lips for precise application. The built-in well delivers the perfect amount of color with each application, and it retails for $21. So not too bad. Let me add all this up real quick and see how much everything adds up to. All right, and it retails for $203. So what my Boxycharm would be. So that's not too bad for $35, having $203 worth of stuff. And I'm pretty excited about the COSSIS stuff. I love the color of this lip gloss, so I'm excited to try it. And it seems like it's supposed to actually stay longer, because I wiped it off of my hand and it was taking a little bit to get it off. So it seems like this might supposed to be stay longer on your lips. I'm really excited about the exfoliating pads, and I want to try this Clarins primer too. So I'm real excited about everything I got, and I'll be trying them out in a Boxycharm try on. So keep your eye out for that, like I said. And I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got in my Boxycharm Premium. If you did, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that's going to be all for me today. I hope you are staying happy, staying healthy, and taking care of yourselves. And I hope you have a great rest of the day. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.